Hello and welcome to another update for Ethereum. So Ethereum works out pretty well as well. In the previous video, we came down exactly to the support level here of my target area, the lower support, which was also here at the 200-week moving average in red. And that is the area that I also gave you quite a while ago for Ethereum, on which I based the possible end of the correction. But of course, we always need to reevaluate the situation when we actually get there. And when we came down here, I told you that we can probably now expect a wave 4 to the upside. And that wave 4 is currently happening, and it has already reached the minimum requirement. It has already reached the 1255 level, the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. You would normally expect it to go to the 38.2 in a wave 4, $1,312. But in the current market environment, which is very weak, which is very bearish, it is, I don't think, a must anyway. So the minimum requirement has been achieved by reaching the 23.6% Fib level. You would normally expect a little bit lower prices after that, but we can still go higher to the 38.2% Fib level at $1,312, and maybe even the 50% Fib retracement at 1358. But at the latest here, the price should be turning around and make again another move to the downside in a wave 5. I do expect here still lower lows for Ethereum, because we can just not yet count a 5-wave move, a clean 5-wave move to the downside, unless I mess around, and I don't really want to mess around with it. It currently really looks like a 1, 2, 3, possibly the 4 already finished now, but with a high probability to go a little bit higher. And then there will be another wave 5 down. There's two ways of counting this. One way is that the wave 3 isn't finished yet. That would mean we will still see the wave 3 to finish, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5. In the primary expectation that I have here on the chart, it suggests that the wave 3 is finished. We are now in the wave 4 that is possibly finished. Confirmation for that would be obtained as soon as we move below $1,165. And then if we do that, as soon as you see the price go below $1,165, we should move lower in the wave 5. And what would be a likely target for that? Well, there's two possibilities here. One possibility is the 78.6, no, let me just bigger picture here. Yeah, the 78.6% Fibonacci extension level, no, retracement level. And that is an ideal target here for a wave 2, for this wave 2 correction in which we currently are in. So absolutely no problem with that. That would actually be quite likely to reach that 1074 level. That would be the next support, and that would be a likely scenario to finish off this wave 2 in which we currently are. Let me just check something while I'm here. No, don't worry, that doesn't work out, and it's not a problem at all. Okay, but this suggests that we can be very, very close to the low. So, but in both scenarios, either in this one, which you have on the chart, or in the other one, where wave 3 isn't even finished yet, I still expect lower prices for Ethereum. Technically, and again, technically, the low could be in. Ethereum has done what it needs to do on the shorter time frame and the longer time frame. As we went into the weekend, we all knew on this channel that we still expect lower prices. That has worked out. People always look for reasons why this has dropped, and Celsius is one favorite of many people currently to point out that due to Celsius, Ethereum dropped. There are many other reasons that try to find their way here currently to the headlines, but in my opinion, it is a move that would have happened anyway. That it happened so fast, and so strong, that is something I wouldn't have expected, that we move so much. But in the end, we did expect lower price, and I gave you that target area between $1,200 and $1,500. But now I'm telling you there is probably still a little bit more downside potential there. It all depends now what we see on the chart. What kind of move do we see? Do we see bullish confirmation to the upside, which would suggest the low is already in? Then we see a 5-wave move to the upside. Currently, we have no evidence for it. We want to get a price action confirmed, yeah? And currently, this is looking like a corrective wave up, which would indeed suggest we will make one more lower low in 1070. What was it? 1074 or 1076? That 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level here, 1074. In that region, however, that is pretty much one of my favorite targets here at the moment. Okay, so yeah, just a quick update here really to let you know there's probably still one more low coming after maybe a little bit more upside. However, one more thing, when will this move down be invalidated? When will we invalidate this overall bearish wave count? It would be invalidated if this wave that we're currently looking at here, the wave 4, is moving into the price range of wave 1, and that would be above $1,426. Then we can confidently say this bearish wave count is invalidated. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and maybe even the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.